What if I told you that some of the world's most luxurious, breathtaking, Instagram-worthy destinations, the kind you see in travel commercials with dreamy beaches and cinematic sunsets, are actually cheaper than a weekend in your hometown? Sounds unbelievable, right? Well, today we're uncovering 3 countries that look expensive, but absolutely aren't. And trust me, number 3 might completely change your travel bucket list. Before we begin, one quick question. Have you ever stopped yourself from booking a trip just because you assumed it would be too expensive? If yes, this video is going to rewrite the way you see travel. Let's dive in. Country number 1, Albania. Imagine waking up to turquoise water so clear you can see the ocean floor. Imagine white beaches that look like the Maldives, dramatic mountains that feel like Switzerland, and Mediterranean food that tastes like Italy, all in one place. That place is Albania. Yeah, Albania. Most Americans and Brits barely know about it, which is exactly why it's so affordable. Let me paint you a picture. In the beach town of Kesamel, you'll find views so stunning you'll question reality. Crystal blue lagoons, perfect photo spots, island boats, sunset cafes. But here's the twist. A full seafood meal costs less than a fancy coffee back home. And if you're someone who loves mountains, drive to Theth National Park. It looks like a luxury Swiss valley for a fraction of the price. Guest houses are cozy, cheap, and often come with home-cooked meals that taste like your grandma decided to open a restaurant on a mountaintop. And listen, if you're thinking, wait, why has nobody told me about this? Well, congratulations. Now you know. But don't relax just yet, because what's coming next might surprise you even more. Country number 2, Georgia. Now we're heading to Georgia. And no, not the one near Florida. The country of Georgia, right between Europe and Asia. If Europe and Asia had a love child, it would be Georgia. Tbilisi, the capital, feels like stepping into an old fairy tale. Warm streetlights, ancient architecture, colorful balconies. But here's the wild part. Luxury hotels that cost $400 in Paris can cost $40 here. Yes, you heard that right. Let's talk experiences. Want hot springs? They have them. Want world-class wine? Georgia invented wine. Literally, it's one of the oldest wine cultures on Earth. Want dramatic snow-covered mountains? Head to Gudori, a ski resort that looks premium but is cheaper than renting skis in the US. And the best part, Georgia is one of the few countries where a full dinner, dessert, and drinks can cost less than ordering a sandwich in London. I'm not saying you'll feel rich here, but you might accidentally act like it. But as impressive as Georgia is, it's nothing compared to our next country, a place most travelers underestimate. This next destination offers luxury that should be expensive, but somehow, isn't. Country. Tiga, Vietnam. If there's a country that gives you 5-star experiences for 2-star prices, it's Vietnam. Let's start with the landscapes. The emerald peaks of Ha Giang, the iconic limestone cliffs of Ha Long Bay, the lantern-lit magic of Hoi An, and the tropical beaches of Da Nang. Every corner looks like a scene from a travel movie. Now, the shocking part. Beach resorts cost less than a night out in the US. A bowl of world-famous pho costs less than a bottle of water at an airport. Domestic flights inside Vietnam are cheaper than dinner for 2. Vietnam gives you the luxury vibes of Thailand, the culture of Japan, and the affordability of Southeast Asia, all in one place. Here's the truth. You don't need to be wealthy to live a rich life. Sometimes the world is more affordable than your fears tell you. Sometimes the places that look impossible are the easiest to reach. So there you have it, Albania, Georgia, and Vietnam. 3 countries that look expensive, but absolutely aren't. 3 destinations that remind us that travel isn't about money, it's about mindset. It's about curiosity, courage, and the decision to finally take that trip you've been dreaming about. And if you want to discover even more breathtaking places that look premium but cost surprisingly little, I'll see you there, traveler.